lela nyakoro mgwejwangi kinde mabende ni kao pacho ganda kaluwore koda paro mar chik mar omenda manyaka sani koro wang'eni nosekadhe nikech kapok osom budget nyaka kadha finance bill mar mondo mi olokre chik. Nen wach mano mar mitumba, Johanna mitumba. Wang'eni sekta maduong' e pacho ka bende no ohala mano mar mitumba lewni migolo kawuok e pinje maoko. Aparo no winjge nikech an no wach mitumba ni nogol nigi VAT. Banada.
Yes, what the material finance to the proposals. Of course, they're subject to discussion in Parliament. They approve or reject. Of course, just express concerns. Stakeholders. But maybe what expect they say give the final decision. Give take into account the contribution of stakeholders. To kaka jalo no wacho CPERIC. Yes, giwacho nok gimedo ushuru kechbe is a limit. Is an exist for the upper limit. Don't give me yellow med. Ka already pay away each up to 35%. Even yellow med they want to award. Yellow the 50%. Actually there was a very little room for them to mondo med. Giwacho ni gido concentrate sana administrative measures mabedo nini ikere. Which is a good initiative. Then shida maji wacho and already as cheka kantiere sani the taxpayer the TPA tax Procedures Act already osechiwo powers mang'eny sana to kere. Yeah. With the existing powers is to me sufficient for them to be able to collect. And uchumi someone can collect beyond a certain limit because the limit minyaga to collect tena collect pesa ka uchumi no be tiyo maber kantiere growth in the economy but ka economy itself of grow kate made rate timba ngono podo kanyal choko pesa no of course jana no ka gitimo make amendment magiwacho ni kaka returns gido no timgi earlier which okay, but okay, KRA itself, there are a lot of changes. Katasani, like with the new changes, up to now, up to Genji Poko manage to file returns. Get file to file. Not because not she the end system. Again, it says KRA to a lot of changes. Mine is good. But it should be done gradually. Mondo system accommodate give understand system no. But on get them push come on so much. Or get already through the e-teams. Get about transactions ani care already has a visibility to that transaction. Gingeo. Look at return, they should be able to know they have the idea of where the money is and where they're able to collect. Kurigan gipacha ana won ongeti ende mondo gi push issue mar filing ni they only give aka intieni to with the enhanced tools mag IT ginyalo engage taxpayers more.
Deno no kana mnaka sani KRA biro giyo mayot. Wacho ni ne jogo kuma bende samoro sibido ka kwepo shulu suru bende sani nyalo kumnaka esimbi mane WhatsApp.
Yes. Eno kata through WhatsApp be wacho no. Koro bende gimangitimo kaka joja neno ga giro messages to taxpayers. Koro instead mar arakisha gi mondo gi file returns by January inyalo oro gi message maybe ngalo nyalo paro ne maybe on gi nil return to kara maybe en gi some other income no beno o file kiro the message no through that to me a time obodo the record it's true ndire business man kama na temo nego file return